Namaste, namaskar everybody, I hope you're doing well. That's the Bancolombia building, the two big buildings right at the Industriales metro station. This is Mercado del Rio. They have a lot of different restaurants, atmospheres there inside. I'm not gonna go in there, but that's what, so you know, motorized bicycle. So we are here starting the Ciudad del Rio journey in 4K. Namaste, namaskar. I hope you're having a happy-go-lucky day. And this will be two parts without any editing, just two clips, 8 minutes long each, in case you want to see what Ciudad del Rio is like. If you want to relocate to this area of Medellin from anywhere in the world and you haven't seen a video yet, I'm showing you one. And somebody is having a thing. So you got these buildings here, they got medical offices here, dental offices, other stuff. But I'm gonna avoid that because they're having some kind of loud thing there, and I just don't want to hear that. So we're gonna go walking this way. And Oxo, and they have a lot of gated communities of high-rise apartment buildings behind this avenue. That is, some call it Avenida Las Vegas, Las Vegas Avenue, and some call it Industrial Avenue, Avenida Industriales. This is the Oxo, like the ones in Mexico. They got plenty now here in Medellin. I have seen already 5 different ones here in the city of Medellin. And we're in the Poblado area, but this is the bottom part. This is the lowest part of Poblado here, basically. So it's warmer here, and if you can see in the distance, that's far end of Poblado right there, like San Castropol, and you see all the high-rise apartment buildings there, some very big and very luxurious, some smaller and not so luxurious. So here we have these right here. Look at that, that's about 20 floors right there, 20 stories. And they have plenty of restaurants, and I gotta cover the camera a little bit. And they have a Notary Public number 3 in Colombia. Here they usually go by numbers: Notaría 1, Notaría 2, Notaría 3, Notaría 4, Notaría Quinta, Sexta, Séptima, etc. Maybe I might even get this in less than 8 minutes in one video. We will see. And then in a future video, I will be making a video in Manila, the neighborhood of Manila here in the Poblado, where a lot of backpackers and travelers come to. And it's better than the Provenza Geras Park area on 10th Street. This is better, more laid back area. Not this one right here, but the future video I'm going to show you. Look at that, Clínica Cardio. That's a cardio clinic from the Mariana congregation. This is La Migueria. I recommend La Migueria. They got so many good desserts here, like pastry and everything. And they have a couple of locations. Some people even do their digital nomad work here if they have a good thing. So they have salt pastry and sweet pastry, cakes, the chocolate bread I recommend it, or the cheese bread. And it's very nice here. La Migueria, or Cariñito, a cafe. And probably got good Wi-Fi. It's a very nice place, and people are working on their computers and all that. Hola, ¿cómo está? Una preguntita, aquí tienen Wi-Fi para los que vienen a trabajar con su portátil. Y es gratis, ¿no? Ah, ok, lo estoy haciendo en inglés para mi canal, para la gente que está interesada en venir aquí. Listo. Hasta luego, chao. ¿Y cuál es el horario de acá?
7 de la mañana, 9 de la noche.
7 a 9, ¿todos los días o de lunes a sábado?
De lunes a sábado, domingo es 8 de la mañana, 3 de la tarde.
Okay, Sundays 8 to 3, and during the week until Saturday 7 to 9. Gracias. Hasta luego. ¿Y tienen de todo? ¿Hasta tienen menú para el día para comer o simplemente cositas?
No, tengo menú para comer también.
Ah, menú. ¿Y cómo vale el menú del día?
No, tengo
opciones.
Opciones varias.
Oh, she has options. Oh, it's a good big thing. Para desayunos, breakfast, and lunch. Some like you get paninis for like almost $5.50. Wow, good. And some up to about $8, $9 a plate, even 10. You got good options here: breakfast specials, lunch specials, lunch stuff, and all the coffee, cold coffee, hot coffee. Okay, gracias. Ahí lo pongo por aquí. Good coffee, espresso machine and everything, cappuccinos and all that good stuff. Cariñito coffee. All right, hasta luego. So it's a very nice place to just come and chill and relax, as you can see. And let's keep walking. and somebody hit their face. But I'm not here to film any person in particular. This is Ciudad del Rio. And for those you Starbucks addicts, they have it there. And all those are apartment buildings. You can find them on Airbnb maybe, or on booking.com, or if you're gonna buy, they have them for sale as well. How much time do we have into this video? Should get my glasses out. 6 minutes, 5 minutes. This used to be a place, a company called Simesa, and that's what remains of Simesa, one of the workshops. There's the thing over there. Let's cross, let's not get hit. And that's the old facade of the machinery workshop there, because this was all about metal works and everything. And that's the museum, Medellin Museum of Modern Art. We have a crepes and waffles there, which is very good and cheap, and they have a lot of vegetarian and vegan options in addition to the regular meat and fish options. You got Pergamino here. People come here to have a coffee too, pastry, work off their computer. As you can see, if you're a digital nomad, they got the little tables for the nomads as well. And they got this that is closed at this hour, and they got this one called Montolivio, like Mount Olive, a restaurant. I hadn't seen this before. And that's the museum right there. My camera's starting to overheat a little bit. I can't see what is it, minute 6. I don't want to go past 8 because then it breaks off the clip. I mean, it breaks off into another clip, and I'm not editing or anything. I'm just keeping it to 2 clips. I'm trying to see, I can't see. 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Okay. Museo de Arte Moderno, Museum of Modern Art, Medellin. That one is for rent up there, that apartment building. And this is the entrance to the museum here, and there's a cafe. And the admissions thing there. And the museum, yeah, it's a museum. And I don't know how much they charge, it doesn't say. But this is the museum. And there's a cafe right around the corner here if you want to come. They call it the MAM, this museum, Museum de Arte Moderno, Medellin. And Ganzo y Castor. Oh, this is like the same one, is French, like they have in Envigado, Calle La Buena Mesa. They have very good food. And they even have doggy bowls for water in case your doggy is thirsty. It's French cuisine. And that building, they're still finishing it, so it's apartments, and then on the first 3 floors, offices and businesses. And that's the cafe. And I remember seeing some Indians here back in 2021 or 2020 playing cricket right here in this area. They were playing cricket right there, just like they do in India. Oh, nice mural. I'm gonna cut this video off so we could go into the second part in a moment.